This is GatherTown. It's a really great way to kind of get people together. It feels like a living conference. We're meeting here to do a datathon, which is an opportunity for students and postdocs and researchers alike to all kind of come together to do a data science project in groups. So to start, everybody gathers in the main atrium. We'll then have each of the teams separate into these individual rooms.
Primarily, it's students, university students who are trying to understand what AI looks like, how is it to get the data and apply a machine learning model, come up with some cool results.
The data, it's medical data of different patients, and the task is to predict whether they have a particular condition. It's a chronic type of diabetes called diabetes mellitus. There's a lot of data on these patients, what is their blood sugar level, what is their blood pressure, what is their age, and so on, that has been collected in the hospital setting.
And it's important to predict whether or not they suffer from this particular disease, because it might affect their treatment in the ICU later on down the line. It's a classification problem, just like, is this patient going to be diabetic or not, continues to be a very high impact problem.
Teams can find mentors or organizers and ask them questions. Today I've been getting a lot of questions. They're like, okay, so I trained a model and I'm actually getting a really good score. How do I actually further increase that score so that, I win the competition? So I'm pretty happy with how it's going so far.